So we decided to come out here about 15 miles off the strip. This is a place called the Wheel of Misfortune, and I feel like this is a good place to do some camera tests with the Autel EVO Lite Plus. This is the Plus version, which means it is the 6K camera. So for this video, I'm going to be filming 4K 60 frames per second in the standard color profile, because that is the only color profile that the EVO offers, unfortunately. So you'll have to tell me what you think of the footage. Personally, at like first glance, I thought it looked pretty good, but you let me know. All right, let's get started.
Heard you're moving toward the city, greener grass and smaller fields, fancy brunches, counting money, the kind of life you'd take if you could steal. I heard you're flying from the Midwest, had enough of these dirt roads, and you aren't asking for forgiveness, so it must be there is nothing I am owed. It's been a long night, chasing all the demons, just a fist fight away. It's a hard life, searching for the reasons when I simply don't know way to make you stay.
Chill, you can't see the Mini 3.
He's been grounded to just a Mini. Sub 249 grams is his punishment. Oh shit. Then we're over here flying something that's gonna weigh like 35 pounds.
Like right here, it'd be stylish.
Yeah, but like, let's just see. I ripped my pants.
It's a hard life, searching for the reasons when I simply don't know way to make you stay.